Hello and welcome to CloudFox Hub. My name is Bhavesh Atara. This video is part 4 of our REST API lab. Let's start. This is final step. Test the full API workflow using Postman. Look, to test our API functionality, we are going to use Postman. Postman is kind of API testing tool. You can go to Google, just type Postman, you will get link. You can download Postman from the link and install it into your system, and then you can test functionality of our API. If you don't want to download it, Postman is also available as an online tool, but to use this Postman tool as an online tool, you need to create user account. So it is up to you. You can download this or you can use directly online. Now you will get this kind of screen when you will start using Postman. It can be online or it can be offline, right? Now that we have created all three Lambda functions and connected them via API gateway, it's time to test everything using Postman. What we are testing? We are going to test post functionality. We will add one record inside this. And here, if you look at this, we are going to use this particular URL. Here we are using this normal URL and invoke URL and then /user. Why we have this /user? Because this is a resource that we have created. Same way, here we are using different URL. Look at this, user/user ID. This would be like /user ID. So it is another URL. Here we are going to add user ID to get item of the specific user ID. Same way, if you want to delete record or item with a specific user ID, you can use this URL, right? So we will use this URL in the Postman to test our functionality. And now here we are going to start our test. And first is to verify post operation. So we have to go to the Postman. Here we need to click on new and HTTP. Now here I'm going to say post. Now we have to add invoke URL. How we are going to get it? You have to go to the stage and here we have invoke URL. And then we have to type resource. So it is /user. Now we are going to add record. So what we want to add, right? We want to add user record. So we have to provide user data. How we can do this? You have to go to the body. Then you have to select row. Then from here, you have to select JSON. And here I have provided you this body. Means it is going to add this particular record. Right? Once I will click send here, it is going to add this record. But I want to verify again. I am going to my DynamoDB. Here I have this table. And I'm going to click on explore table item. And look at this, I don't have any item. Now, when I will click send over here, it is going to add this record into the DynamoDB table. And I can verify this record. So if I'm going to get this record inside my DynamoDB table, means my post functionality is working properly. Let me click on send. Here I'm getting this message, user created successfully. Let's go to this and let me refresh and look at this. Here I got this record, means our first Lambda function, REST API, everything is working properly and post functionality is successfully completed. Testing is also completed. Now let's start with the get.